So guys, so what we have here is we have a 248 stroker short blocks. One's specifically more for boost. This one's for a little bit, I mean, you can do a little bit nitrous boost. So it's a little bit more higher compression on motor, obviously with some Texas speed pistons, HP rods, full crank, 4-inch stroke crank. I have the idea to see what you thought of doing a maybe like an engine, a 4.8 stroker giveaway, or in the motor giveaway. We have these right now, but we're planning on ordering more to have in stock 416s, 370s, just 460s. For now we have these two, so comment below on this video if you guys would be interested. It would be pretty much what we're thinking, do a 4.8 stroker giveaway, but in every purchase of a sticker you get an entry, our Velocity Racing sticker. So yeah, so like I said, they're brand new, ready to go, freshly machined. I just took it out the package. As you can see right there, I got the Texas Speed badge on it. It's a Gen 4 block, and I mean it's on these ARP mains, ARP rod bolts. They're good for over 1,000 horsepower each. So yeah, just let us know if y'all would be interested. Like, I mean, it's just a thought. I mean, if we got enough people interested in it, we'll go ahead and do it. Guys, so another routine around here we have is we have to throw away all our scrap. We got blown motors. Because we did it, this was a turbo car that had a bad cam bearing, low oil pressure and boost did not match. This one had it was on a Trailblazer, and it has this famous that low panel with the pickup tube problem. Ran out of oil, low oil pressure, blew the motor. We got a bunch of others. We had Chewy's rear end and the GA just good. Busiest highway in the United States, Uruca, Taquacha Highway.
Later.
Here we are headed to UPS, our weekly Monday routine. Saturdays, that's when we usually ship. We got a bunch of headers, white pipes, mufflers, cam kits. Remember, I mean, we got a bunch of stuff shipping out today, like we just do on every week. So, like always, remember we do offer shipping available everywhere, anywhere you live. So in case y'all trying to get something, we do have our website running. velocitypartsperformance.com. In case y'all can't find anything there y'all looking for, y'all can always give us a call. If we don't have it, we'll get it and we'll get it to you. Or sometimes when we don't update the website, sometimes we're a little behind on that. So we do have more inventory than our website shows. So whatever you guys are looking for or need help with or anything, just let us know and we'll get it to you. Alright guys, we're here now at UPS store, about to unload all of our boxes on this hot day.
So guys, today we just finished putting headers and a white pipe on this off-road used vehicle because we don't break the law here. I just gotta finish up hooking up the white pipe and we'll wrap it up, call it a day, call the customer and haul it off.
Con el CTSV le vamos a poner el heat exchanger. We did the upper pulley, the injectors, the cam. We did a full exhaust all the way to the back. So I did the fuel system. Pues déjame nomás le pongo el belt de volada. Vamos a ver. Ahí está. Ahí quedó.
What? I'm out, man.
Así luego déjame le pongo esto aquí de volada.
So we have a 6.0 here, it's an OQ4, obviously from the junkyard. What we're going to do right now, we're going to come tear it completely apart, take everything out but the bottom end, the short block. We're going to take the short block to get new cam bearings, resurface the heads. We're going to do just a fresh, like I guess a top end rebuild on it. Lifters, head gaskets, cam kit. It's going on one of our good friends giveaway trucks. Maybe y'all find out whose it is. We're doing this one and we're also doing that one. We have two 6.0 we're going to tear apart by tonight. And tomorrow we'll go drop off the heads, drop off the short block, and start putting it back together. Hopefully have it done by this weekend. And yeah, so that's the project for tonight. Tear them apart, clean them up, make them look like brand new. Like I said, we're placing every single thing on here. We're putting new chain, oil pump, all new gaskets, seals, and we're washing every single part in here so it looks like a brand new motor. We're going to be also putting a built trans and a converter to match the cam we're be installing in here into the truck is going to be on. We don't want to say the truck yet, but yeah, so y'all stay tuned. We're going to do just a little montage of tearing it apart and see how it looks from the inside. Yeah, so we're doing those, and remember we have the 4.8s. Repeat myself again. In case y'all interested on doing it, if we do a giveaway on the short block, you know, comment. I'll be interested. We're just right now thinking of, you know, maybe do a giveaway. You buy a sticker for, you know, 20 bucks and maybe you get a, you know, $5,000 more. So comment below on that, and that's what we got going on for today. Regular Mondays here. Cut that out. Hey guys, so we finished taking the top end off of it. As you can see, this is an LQ4 6.0 because it has this piston, so it's a lower compression compared to like an OQ9. OQ9 is a flat top piston, which is they consider like LS2, it's an iron block LS2. But yeah, this is an OQ4. They come in work trucks and some Yukon Denali's. It looks pretty clean. I mean, it don't look new because it's not, but for what it is, everything looks fine. Nothing looks out of whack. We're gonna clean it up real good, refresh it, and it should look new by the time we're done with it. So y'all look at the before and after so you see how we leave it.
Two young lovers are running wild.
Asusta.
That's a workout. Yeah. Alright guys, so next day, completely torn apart. This is short block. Got them both taken apart. This one I already had taken apart. This is the Galvancillos motor, La Vejita. I got my little tag so I can know which one's which. This one's also, well, I had the cam bearing failure. And we're taking them, getting them all cam bearings replaced, and we're getting them cleaned out. We're getting the heads resurfaced, hot tanked, everything nice, clean, new. And all these three blocks are OQ4s. All have the same style piston. We should have them. Usually it's like a day, 2 day turnaround. By this weekend, we should have all three of them all back together and ready to drop in. They hit till like 1 in the morning last night. I'm just taking them apart. We got everything in boxes from each motor. I'm not gonna use most of the parts, but we put everything on them, and that's it. I'll stay. I guess once I put it back together, I'll talk a little bit more like details, you know, how we do things, just, you know, so you guys could maybe learn something from it. In case y'all don't know already. But yeah, I'll stay tuned for that one, and we're about to head out to Houston Engine and Balancing. up now. We just drop off all 3 short blocks. Maybe he'll have it by tomorrow. He usually does things for within a day. He's pretty good at the time. That's what was coming to him. But so just 3 motors, and we need to clean the heads, resurface them. He's gonna take a little bit longer, so we should have him back tomorrow. And as soon as we get him back, we'll slap him back together. Galoncillo's motor, the 6.0. That one I'm gonna rebuild the whole motor from main rod bearings, rings, everything. So that one's gonna take a little longer. I'll see if I can get the parts locally for that motor. Now I'll just order them. Usually I can get them locally, but so the other 2 motors I should have them done, like I said, by this week latest. But I'm gonna have them done by within the same day I get them back. And the other one I'm gonna go through a little bit deeper, and that one should probably take a little bit longer. But it should be done all pretty quickly. You go from there. That way I can see how we put them together and what parts are gonna be in those engines. And
Dale, estaba. Yo. I'll jump on top of this one, both of them.
you want to jump on top of that? Dale.
Este sí me hago fácil. ¿Sí la hago en esa o no? ¿Qué tú le andamos eso? ¿De eso?
¿Cuándo, güey? Si no puedes.
No, pero así como le hice aquí.
No, güey. Te vas a partir todo.
¿No puedo?
You can't.
¿Ah?
You can't. Te vas a abrir la frente allá, el laxo.
Este sí la hago fácil.
You won't do it. You won't just jump that one.
No, no, ¿y tía que tú eres
No
pa?
brincas ni un charco, güey.
No, ¿y tía que tú eres pa eso? No.
No estás bien.
Es que no, mira.
Métete por medio así de la llanta como. No. You actually did it! I didn't think you were gonna jump. Va a estar boluda la llanta ahora, güey.
Hey, I actually did it though, look.
You like rolled on top of the tire. You didn't even jump. Pegó la llanta and he rolled on top of the tire.
I did it. Hey, also.
Hey.
Mira, I can try.
Te vas a caer arriba de la transmisión, güey. What are you jumping over?
Those all
What do you mean?
the same one.
Dude, you're gonna fall.
¿Think so?
Tú sabes. I'm just warning you.
Be fine. Sign the way.
Aquí no seas nada responsable de que te vas a abrir la frente o algo.
Mira, Rosa, this is the big one right here, though.
Where's the same tire?
No, what you mean?
Which one are you jumping?
It's taller, wait.
It is taller. You know what you should do? Jump through the middle así. Do a flip.
Se atora en el medio.
Con tu llanta. Boom.
Ya, güey, un regalito.
I don't know if it's differential.
Ahí está.
Sponsored by Velocity. Man, güey, I hope que sea el diferencial, güey.
¿Qué es lo que hizo o qué?
Tronó, güey.
¿Del arranque o qué? Se aflojó todo. No tiene reversa ni nada.
Nada.
Un axo.
Okay.
Eso es lo que le pasó a la Ford mía. Me arranqué y fue el axo. El leading estaba bueno. Estaba todo bien, nomás fue el axo.
Like, salí, güey, cuando di la vuelta, tronó. Y ya.
La corriste y todo.
Sí,
Oh,
güey.
hiciste el pase.
No, salí, I took off.
Siente.
Ya, salí, güey. Cuando salgo, la troca sale bien. Like, tronó ahí, pero la bajé primera y segunda. Salió. Cuando di la vuelta en la salida, ya no ni para atrás ni para adelante. So I'm
Está
like
bravo.
en diferencial o transmisión, pero no creo que sea la transmisión.
Entonces, déjame si te entiendo. Entonces te arrancaste. De cuenta, dio el reparo y lo
Ya, la troca nomás reparó, güey.
Y fue todo.
Pum, fue todo. Ya no quiso ni para atrás ni para adelante. I have to shift it. La bajé primera.
¿Qué unit tienes atrás?
Traigo 411s.
Oye, traes el Yukon.
Se me hace que es Yukon. Se lo
Y ese Yukon, eso es lo que pasó. Es lo que también. Porque es lo que le pasó a la mía. Una que tenía. De parada así, cuando que tenía nitro.
Yo le di spray.
Y yo le
no sprayé.
Y yo le cambié.
Nomás dije, donde brinque le voy a dar. No me dio chance ni de darle el nitro, güey.
Yo la mía se hizo, güey. Nomás brincó y pum, se abrió. Yo pensaba que era la transmisión. Le puse otra. Y nada. Y fue él porque tenía el Yukon. Apenas un nitro.
Yo necesito abrirlo, güey.
Oye, Yukon.
El Yukon se quiebra, güey. Los arranca. El Yukon
Esa
aguanta.
madre sí,
pero
güey. Sí
arranca.
aguantan, pero de tanto dale, truenan.
Son buenas
yo creo.
como así para el torque, pero el pedo, cuando traes el arranque, así, como el shocker, así, el trancazo es cuando...
Y allá en San Antonio hacían lo mismo, güey. Yo sentía el diferencial. Se me hace que hace el diferencial.
Hello, welcome back. So, swapping out harnesses. This one was a 406 originally, and they repainted for a 480, and we got the correct harness. We just finished inspecting and taking out the loom, putting the Tesla wrap on it, making it look nice and pretty, going over it. Already soldered in the injector connectors, finishing it up, and then we're gonna throw it into it. 1,000 horses pretty soon. Yeah, that's it. Almost done. Gonna clean it up.
¿Lo vamos a desnivelar?
Nah, we're good. Come put us up.
I love it.
Come put us up. Come put you up? Yeah, come put the butt.
I can jump right here if anything.
I want to poke a hole through the ceiling. Keep going. Alright, get wobbly as fuck.
Nah, it's good. Go.
Yeah, but
It's wobbly,
you gotta
chill.
press the lever.
Chill.
And press the
Oh, it's just gonna come through. Chill.
They were just like, come on.
Pick you up, wait, come on. Go. Get up. Give me the other one.
Pick me up.
Hell no, I'm scared as fuck. The fuck?
I can see your gray hair from here, right?
Yeah. You gotta pull those things now? The levers?
See what happens when I'm not here?
Bótale con 50. You know what?
La madre, I'm gonna go bring it. I'm gonna go bring that home.
Aquí en las noticias 45 viene norte y sur con toda la tierra, va a caer granizo en la noche. Pongan sus carros adentro porque va a valer madre el pedo.
So Choi didn't want to give me the Balenciagas, so we're giving him a 8-inch white pipe.
Nah. Freestyle. Upgrading.
What's his name? Number. Ahí está. Not 4,000.
Eso no tiras volados porque mira. Gratis.
Ahí está.